Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is January 16, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. As we get started here, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading right around 26.12 per contract. All in all, you can see that the futures have come off their worst levels of the day, but they are in positive territory, so we're going to respect that. The markets have been somewhat resilient over the last couple of weeks. And yesterday was no exception. The NASDAQ had a big day, up 1.7%. The S&P was up 1.07%. And everything across the board was pretty much higher. So, again, markets have been holding up very, very well. We'll see what today gives us. We have options expiration on Friday. There's a lot going on out here, and we're in the start of earnings season. So let's get going there. We're going to start the day off with United Airlines. Stock is flying high today. It is trading at $86.30, closed at $81.20. So good pop there for UAL. When I look at the stock right now, I have to think you probably run into a little bit of turbulence around $88. So again, we'll see if it gets up there. But nonetheless, stock has had a powerful, powerful move. Ultimately, I do think the bigger resistance will be up around 91 bucks. Not sure if the stock can get that high today, but we'll see. Right now, it's looking good, though, and this is lifting all of the other airline stocks. You have American Airlines getting a little bit of a bid there. Looks like Delta Airlines, which was hit after earnings, that's upticking a touch, and you also have Southwest Airlines catching a nice little bid back above $50 today. So, again, UAL really catching a very, very good move after earnings. Now, what's not catching a good move today is Nordstrom. JWN is a ticker symbol there. Stock is trading at $43.67, closed at $47.26. This store looks like Nordstrom came out with comps, and the numbers were not so hot. At least the market doesn't love them. Right now, when I look at the stock, I have to think that around the $40 level, you're going to probably find some support if we get down there. But this is not a strong move by any measure, so you want to be a little bit careful here. But Nordstrom getting hit this morning on the back of comps that weren't so hot. Next up, we have Bank of America, BAC. Looks like they reported earnings. Stock is trading at $27.93. Great pop there for BAC. When I look at this one, I have to think we're probably nearing some pretty good resistance around the $29 level if it gets up there. Just take a look at the daily chart. You're going to see you got a big 200 period moving average. So again, that should be pretty good resistance around 29 bucks. But either way, great move for Bank of America this morning. Next up, we have Goldman Sachs, also on the move. When you take a look at Goldman yesterday, closed at 179.91. Look at it this morning. Stock's trading at 185.25. So good pop there for Goldman. I believe they came out with pretty good numbers, or the market likes the numbers that they have reported. So we'll see how that plays out. You're going to have very good resistance around the 190 level and more around 196, 197. I'm not sure it gets that high today. But either way, good number out of Bank of America and Goldman Sachs, or a good reaction, I should say. There is a merger out here. It looks like First Data, FDC, is going to be acquired by Fiserv for $22.74 a share, all stock deal. So again, nice pop initially. Has already started to fade a little bit, so we'll be watching this one. But either way, it's still some good gains in the book from yesterday's close. Stock closed at $17.54. So if you own FDC, I would trail that stop loss immediately or take it off the table. The choice is yours. Let's take a look at PNC Financial, big regional bank. Not so hot today. Stock closed at $121.12. Now trading at $119.78. So again, good little haircut there. A lot of support still for this one. A little bit lower, around 118 and a half, 118.75. Still pretty good support there. Let's take a look at Snapchat. I normally don't talk about this stock all that much, but it's getting hit today. Closed at $6.54. Now trading at $5.77. Looks like the CFO is departing there. That's never a good thing. We'll see how it plays out. I'm not touching this stock with a 10-foot pole, so it doesn't really matter to me. Let's take a look at USB this morning. That also is trading higher, closed at $47.97, now trading at $48.45. So this is a good little pop for USB. This is on the back of earnings. Again, not much I would do with it here at the moment, but this can move a little higher. I don't really see any major resistance in its way. So again, give it the slight upside bias. BLK, which is, let me just get that ticker in there. Yeah, there we go. Good old BlackRock right now trading at $397. This is down a little bit from $400.71 where it closed yesterday. So under a little bit of pressure. I still think there's a lot of support around $391.5 to $392 if it gets there. Also, $390 is a lot of support as well. So that's going to be intraday support for BlackRock if it does fall further. We do have some notable downgrades today. HPE getting downgraded. Stock is trading at 14, closed at 14.44. NTAP getting downgraded as well. Stock trading at 60.50, did close at 62.46. And Budweiser, better known as Anheuser-Busch InBev, stock is trading at 71.25, closed at 72.52. So again, that's what we have on the board. We're going to have more and more earnings out later this week and also in next week. So get ready. Earnings season is really just getting underway. If you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We're starting out with a pretty solid 2019. We had a great 2018, and we're going to look to keep that going really right into the end of this year. We should have good volatility, good movement, so good action. And with earnings coming out in droves here, we'll get very, very good action over the next month or so. So get ready for that. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you all on the charts.